two types of forces: contact forces and non-contact forces. Contact forces like push and pulls, you have to be in contact to make those forces happen. The reaction force, when you push on a wall, that's a contact force as well. The electrons of the wall are pushing away the electrons of your hand, and you push in, squeezing the electrons closer together, moving the wall about 1/10 of a millimeter in a bendy way, and it pushes back the same amount. Non-contact forces, well, we're not touching the sun, and yet the force of gravity from the sun makes us go around in an orbit, and the moon is not touching us. You can't get onto the moon by just walking. It's a non-contact force. The force of gravity that holds the moon to the Earth and makes the moon go round the Earth in an orbit is also, it's a gravitational, non-contact force. Magnetism also doesn't have to be a contact force. Now, when you put your magnet on your fridge, it will go click when it contacts. However, there is a pull when it's just a few millimeters away. If you get very strong magnets, you can use a north pole to push away a north pole without them ever touching. It's very hard to do the opposite and have a south pole pulling a north pole, because usually its movement is so fast that you can't keep it going along and stop the touchiness. And electrostatic forces. Negatives repel negatives, and positives repel positives. Like charges, positive, positive, negative, negative, they repel. Unlike charges, plus and minus attract. Same with magnets, north, south attract. North and north repel. South and south repel.